Say, here, ducky. Caden, what's a ducky say? Caden, what's a ducky say? Quack, quack. Oh. One for Caden, one for the ducks.
One for Papa. One for Papa. One for Caden.
Look at all the ducks, Kay. Look at them all. There's lots of ducks, huh? Here, duck. Quack, quack. Talk to them.
I love you, ducky.
Here. Isn't he cute? What's the duck eating? What is that? Huh?
What are you giving the duckies? What is that? Cheerios? Grandpa got it. Here, ducky. Here.
Feed the white one. Look at the big white one. See the big white duck?
Here, give the white duck some Cheerios. See the white one? That one. You want to give him Cheerios? Okay, throw it to him. Good job. How's that?